You're here because you are an entrepreneur, steering your own e-commerce brand and seeking a team to revamp your email marketing strategy. I believe you're looking for three key things: to enhance your earnings, to ensure your customers are delighted, and to free up more time to focus on not just in your business and product development. Let's get straight to the point. Our team, composed of strategists, project managers, account managers, designers, copywriters, and quality assurance specialists, is committed to crafting an email and SMS marketing system that not only generates consistent monthly revenue for your business, but also shows a progressive increase. We provide copy that resonates with your audience, designs that align with your brand, and a strategy that continually elevates your conversions month by month and year after year. Having collaborated with over 100 brands, we currently design upwards of 400 emails a month. We manage hundreds of thousands of subscribers, contributing from 35 to 50% of the revenue attributed to email and SMS marketing. Book a minute with us now and let's chat how we can create this automatic and profitable system for your e-commerce brand today.